Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change search engine on Tecno Spark 10 into a custom one. So to change search engine into a custom one, you have to start with opening your Google browser, and now you have to choose search engine that you want to select. For this example I'm gonna choose yep.com. And now you have to search something in this engine. Click search. And now you have to go to settings and choose search engine option. And now you should be able to choose your yep.com engine. And if you click back, now you can see that my search engine is now set to Yep. So that is for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.